Yes, I'm wearing my same shirt again. All right. Today I am going to we're going to do some more colors. So I'm going to do another eye look using some fun colors. I'm just gonna, I don't even know what I'm going to do, but I am going to use the original Jaclyn Hill palette. So that is what we're going to do. Before we get started, please make sure you click that button below, hit the subscribe button. I share new videos every single week and I do not want you to miss out. And also make sure you click on that notification bell too, because anytime I share a new video, you'll be notified. If you don't, you'll probably never see my channel again because YouTube will either unsubscribe you or hide me, which they do. I'm gonna try to play around with some different colors here. There's a lot of neutral colors in this palette too, but I'm gonna venture out. I'm gonna venture out and try to do some of these colors here, but I'm gonna try to work it into an everyday look. I am not, the colors are on the back here, but they are small and I'm not gonna stop and just keep, you know, same color. So if you have this palette, you can follow along with me. If you don't have it, you can use colors that are similar. So I will hold it up so you can at least get an idea what the colors are. I am gonna go in with this color right here. And that is going to be my transition color. That first. Now I am going to go in with this color right here. I am going to do fun colors now, don't freak out. I just want to kind of build a little bit of a base here. Now I'm going to go in with this color right here, this bright yellow color. I'm going to put a little bit on the corner here too. Now I'm going to go in, let's try this color right here. You see that right down there? It's a very deep blue. Actually, tap, tap, tap. I don't want to have fallout from this. Okay, where are you at, color? Okay, now I see ya. Now I see your color. You know what? I need to use my other brush. Just not enough. Using my Luxie angled brush. Gonna stamp that in there. Okay, gotta be careful. I don't want to get this too dark. We want to see it, but we don't want it to be too dark. And I'm gonna blend that out, and then I'm gonna do the other side too. So I kind of want to stay in the same area. Once I start blending it, it's getting softer. And that's what I want. If you really want a deeper color, you can deepen it, but I don't want to do that. And sags. And now I'm going to take this brush and we're going to blend it in. Now I'm going to go in with this purple color, which is right next to it. And we're going to put a little bit of that on there. Do the same. Just make sure you see that. I'm going to blend it yet too. I'm just going to put it on both eyes and I'm going to blend it. Wipe, wipe, wipe. I'm wiping my brush in between colors. Now I am going to go in and I think I'm going to use this color right here. It's kind of like a champagne frosty color. And I'm even going to get it doing my whole lid, even on the corner. which I don't always do. Although I've been doing that more lately, haven't I? Do the same thing on the other eye. Oh, like this color right here. And I'm going to take both of those. I just want to put a little bit right here by my corner. Right here. And do the same thing right here, just kind of brighten it up a little bit. I'm going to take this brush. This is kind of like a flatter brush. It's my E55. It's actually an eye shading brush, but I'm just going to use it anyways just to do the top. I'm going to take this color right here, and I'm going to go just under here, like under my brow. I don't want to get it all over. I just want it just right there under my brow. Just kind of helps lift it up and brighten my eye a little bit more. Then I'm going to go ahead and take that same brush that I used in the inner corner. I'm going to wipe it off. And I'm going to go in and use these two colors, the purple and the blue. And I'm going to... I feel like I've been doing a lot of purple colors lately, so I think the next colors I'm going to have to experiment with is going to be the greens. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeliner. Actually, I'm going to do my top liner first. I'm going to put my mascara on and I will be right back because I don't think you want to watch this. That is it. That's my final finished look. I'll give you a little close up here and see what it looks like. Really, really pretty look. So that is it. You know what? I'm going to add a little bit more gloss actually. I'm going to add this gloss to kind of tone this down a little bit because I feel like needs to be more of a nude. I brought it down a little bit. This is a new to me, Marc Jacobs. This is Coffee with Cream. It's really, really, really pretty. You can see that in there. It's got like a little bit of an iridescence shimmer. I like that it just knocks down a color a little bit for me if I need it to do that. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you give it a thumbs up, share my videos, helps my channel so much, and I really, really appreciate it. And make sure you subscribe, follow me on Instagram. I'm always sharing different things on Instagram. It's kind of like a little vlog, I guess, because I kind of share behind the scenes and different things that I'm doing. So I really hope that you will join me there as well. And that is it. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys real soon.